In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Typeform in Canva, specifically how to add a Typeform to your Canva presentation. This process is a fantastic way to make your presentations more interactive and engaging by incorporating custom forms and surveys directly into your slides. To start, you need to navigate to Typeform's homepage. Open your web browser and go to typeform.com, the hub for creating people-friendly forms and surveys. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a Login button. Click on that and enter your credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Typeform workspace. This is the central location where all the forms you've created are stored. Here you can manage and organize your forms. If you haven't created a form yet, you might want to take a moment to set one up before we proceed. Otherwise, go ahead and select the form you want to embed in your Canva presentation. Once you've clicked on your chosen form, head over to the Share section of the Typeform interface. This tab is essential because it provides you with various options for distributing your form. Within the Share menu, look for the option labeled Embed Form, which will allow you to add the form directly into other platforms. When you click on Embed Form, a few options will appear on how you can integrate your form. For today's tutorial, we need to copy the form link, which will be used in Canva. Simply highlight the link provided and copy it to your clipboard. With the Typeform link copied, it's time to switch gears and open Canva. Once inside Canva, open the presentation you're working on, or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Navigate to the slide where you want your Typeform to appear. Canva provides a variety of elements you can add to a slide, but in this case, we're focusing on embedding the Typeform link. To do this, look for the option to embed or add a link within your Canva presentation, typically found in the menu options or by inserting an element like a box or text. Paste your copied Typeform link into the appropriate field. If done correctly, this will integrate your form, allowing your audience to interact with it directly from your Canva presentation. And there you have it. You've now successfully added a Typeform to your Canva presentation. Remember, this interactive element can significantly enhance your presentations by providing a way for your audience to engage with the content more dynamically. Whether it's for feedback, quizzes, or surveys, integrating Typeform can truly elevate your slides. Thanks for watching. And be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.